My edit is still going on since the last 2 days. I'm trying to edit it. The thing is, I'm editing it bit by bit. Morning coffee has also started. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's up, guys? Kaise ho? Hope everyone is doing great. Today is day 3 here in Kakinada. I have no agenda once again. This is how our days are going to start. The last day, actually, tomorrow is the last day. We are heading back home tomorrow. But it's been very long since we've done something like this. I mean, traveling. Of course, this is by car, but we used to do this so much before, like travel on the bike. The best part, after traveling so much on the bike, once we come back to the room like this and sleep, manchi sleep vastadi chudu, that is the best feeling.
పక్క నుంచి రాత్రి లేపుతుంటే ఇంకా బెస్ట్ ఫీలింగ్.
నీ కొట్టి రాత్రి అంతా. I mean, I feel bad also doing that.
3 times లేపినావా? 4 times?
నిద్రలో నేను ఒక 20-30 times లేపుంటాను. నేను నాకు తెలిసి నేను ఒక 3-4 times. బేసికలీ స్నోరింగ్ ఇష్యూ హై,
కోల్డ్ వల్ల.
అందులో ఎగ్జాల్ ఎగ్జాస్ట్ ఉంది ఇప్పుడు నోట్లో. సో ఐ హావ్ టు కీప్ వేకింగ్ హిమ్ అప్. దో బోత్ ఆఫ్ us, for sure we are using AirPods to cancel. One tip we have to give: if you have someone snoring beside you, AirPod is the best solution. I'll tell you, it works wonders. Full magic asala. Exact దాంట్లో తెలుసు అనుకోండి. It knows what snoring frequency it knows. అది ఎట్లా కట్ చేస్తుంది ఎగ్జాక్ట్. You try this out once.
Only problem, you can't hear even alarms.
But I don't have AirPods. I'm using Sony. So కొంచెం స్లిప్ అవుతుంది. Like it is leaking. శివాస్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ దాటిపోయింది సోనీని. వాడు చూడు పొద్దున్నే స్టార్ట్ చేసాడు.
నేను తిన్నుండేరా మార్నింగ్. నువ్వు నేను ఎన్ని తిన్నావు? 2 కదా.
5 టోటల్ 6 ఉండే దాంట్లో.
నేనైతే అది టేస్ట్ చూడలే.
మరి ఒకటి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిందిరా?
ఎంటీ స్టమక్ మీద మామిడి ఇట్లా షుగర్ వేసాడు. ఇప్పుడు షుగర్ హై వస్తుంది.
ఒక్కరోజే కదరా
ఇట్లా చెప్పుకుంటూ 3 రోజులు చేస్తున్నావు తెలుసా. ఓకే, లెట్స్ ప్యాక్ అప్, హ్యావ్ సమ్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్. వేర్ ఆర్ వి గోయింగ్? కాకినాడలో వాట్ డు వి నీడ్ టు డూ? వీ డిడ్ బెస్ట్ 2 things. ఈటింగ్ ఇన్ సుబ్బయ్య గారి హోటల్. సెకండ్ థింగ్ ఇస్ ఈటింగ్ కోటాయ స్వీట్. దర్ ఇస్ సమ్ కోస్టల్ రోడ్ యూ షోడ్. ఉప్పాడ బీచ్ అంట. వెళ్ళి డైరెక్ట్లీ చూపిస్తాం అవన్నీ. మా కూలీ చూడండి.
పదా
అది డబ్బాలు పెట్టేసి ఇక్కడనే. Actually, this is a good hotel. Grand Kakatiya by GRT Hotel. Really good. Except that room smells a little bit of fungus. Rest all is good. I mean, service wise and all that, really good. 8 out of 10. Rooms must be little cleaner in terms. It is clean, but I'm talking about the smell. That fungus smell is coming. At least in our room. Oh yeah, skies are very beautiful. Man, more than that, parking is good in the hotel. I mean, there's no cellar parking. I saw cellar parking, but cars, I don't think they're allowing cars to park in the cellar. But I think if you come on the bikes, you can park it for now. Breakfast time. We finished having... No, Shiva finished having proper breakfast. Lele papa flexer alla nandu. Ivala enduko tindaledu. Why are you not eating, Shiva? He is marinating vada inside it. Swimming ki pampichiddu. I'm having my French toast. I mean, I never thought I'll get French toast, pancakes, nutella. Kakinadalo tintanu anukolevanni.
Slang vada annaru.
Adu cheppali.
Ade దొరకనుకున్నారా ఇంటి మా దగ్గర అన్ని దొరుకుతాయి.
That much slang, I don't know how to speak like that.
సూపర్ దొరుకుతాయండి అన్ని.
But yeah, that's good. I'm missing this from the last 3-4 days. దొరకాలనుకున్నారండి అండి. Uppada beach. That is the place we're going to. 47 minutes, 23 kilometers from here. But it's a beautiful location, anta. But one thing is, after that we don't know what to do. We'll go with the flow. Akkadiki velli after we're done with that shots and all that, after exploring that place, then we'll decide what to do. There's a chance we might head back home also. High chance. Ante em cheyandi. After this, I don't know what to do in Kakinada. Any of you have any idea?
I say beach.
Kakinada beach, ah? ఒంగోలు బీచ్ ఏంట్రా? అది ఎక్కడో కింద కదరా, చాలా
5 hours away.
అందుకనే అయినాక చెప్తాం డైరెక్ట్లీ. వి నాట్ షూర్.
ఈవినింగ్ సన్
15,554 kilometers రా. మజాక్ అనుకుంటున్నావా? బట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్ ఇస్ హాట్. కాకినాడ ఇస్ లైక్ రియలీ హాట్. 31 degrees already in the morning. What is the time? 9:25 am ki 31 degrees ఉందా? That's crazy, bro. But the good part is, if you see outside, this is the kind of traffic you experience. 9:25 am, if you see Hyderabad, if you get out of a hotel like this, anywhere in the city, it is going to be madness. Mottham jam, red lines. Like Vijayawada, Vizag. Vijayawada is still little bit trafficy, but I think Kakinada, all these places.
Kakinada town.
A lot of peace of mind you get when you get out of your home in a city like this. So if you see the map, the road is going closer and closer to the beach. That side is the beach.
పక్కనే ఉందిరా.
Very pakka.
అరే అక్కడ వాటర్ రోడ్డు మీదకి వస్తున్నాయి అదిగో వేవ్స్ కి.
వస్తున్నాయా నిజంగా?
ఇప్పుడు పైకి ఎగిరినాయి జుప్ అని.
There is a beach. And this is the road. Mad. అనుకోకుండా మంచి వ్యూ దొరికిందమ్మా. So drone shots coming up in 3, 2, 1, huh? I think this is the closest I've come to a beach. I mean in a car. That to a road so close, the water is splashing onto the car. If you see it here, you see all this water is literally from the sea.
అమ్మ ఇట్లా ఉండాలి కదరా హైదరాబాద్ లో, ఎందుకు లేదురా?
అట్లుంటే దాన్ని కాకినాడ అంటారు. ఇంత దగ్గర అయితే ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు నేను రోడ్ని, బీచ్కి. Janma Danyam ho gaya. Feels so good. Feels accomplished now after a long time. After doing 4 goals accomplished in this trip. Most successful trip I feel. I don't know how the videos coming out, but at least I feel good. Experiencing all these things in real. How about you guys? ఇదైతే స్వీట్ల మీద పడ్డాడు. నువ్వే.
మళ్ళీ అన్ని నా పేరు మీద మామ అంటాడు.
Anyways, back on the highway. We're going to Bhimavaram. We're going to not stay there. We're not sure about that. But we'll probably have lunch there and then we'll decide what to do.
రాజులు భోజనాలు బాగా పెడతారంట భీమవరంలో.
పోదాం అయితే, పోయి తిని పెడదాం. వాళ్ళకి భోజనాలు పెట్టడమే వచ్చు, మాకు తినడం కూడా వచ్చు.
వాళ్ళు పెడితే మనం తినలేం రే, చంపేస్తారు.
Sorry. So for the ones who don't understand that script in Telugu, it is Kotaya, again Kotaya Sweets. See, Shiva is becoming, I think I have to change his name to Kotaya or Subbaya. Today morning he finished all the sweets. That's over, so he wanted to take some more home. Now the plan is we are going towards Bhimavaram. High chances we might head back to Hyderabad after we are done here. Let's see. And it is actually hot here. If you see that 31 degrees outside, full hot here. And we were just wondering, I think we wouldn't be so comfortably doing. We usually think, let's not ride in the afternoon, let's start the ride towards the end of the day. Maybe around 4 o'clock we'll start the ride and ride throughout the night. And sometimes we also do early morning rides, like we start at least by 5 a.m. and get out 6 a.m. max, so that we escape the sun. We halt somewhere by 12 o'clock, but you know, this kind of weather on the bike is kind of difficult, challenging. We do it if we don't have any other way, but in the car doesn't matter. We have our breakfast aram se, slowly check out 11 o'clock. That is the major difference that you get on a bike trip versus a car drive. Charan, ekkada poina you will get sweets. Vijayawada kuda while getting out of Vijayawada you got sweets. స్వీట్ పిచ్చోడు.
స్వీట్లు మానేసారు, అందుకని ఇలా వచ్చినప్పుడు
బాగా మానేసావు కనిపిస్తుంది.
ఇలా వచ్చినప్పుడు తినాలి.
He got Mysore pak. Oh, I thought Mysore pak is made in Mysore. Mysoreలో ఫేమస్ ఉండాలి కదా Mysore pak. Why is it famous elsewhere? Oh, బొబ్బట్లు. ఆంధ్రా में आके బొబ్బట్టు नहीं खाए तो क्यों आया रा भाई?
అండ్ నెక్స్ట్
కాకినాడ కాజా. బాగా ఫేమస్ చేస్తాం కాకినాడ కాజా అని. కాకినాడ వాళ్ళు కూడా అంత ఫేమస్ చేసి ఉండరు కాకినాడ కాజా అని. The way we are making all this Kotaya famous and all, we need payment amma.
మనం కడుతున్నాం. రెగ్యులర్ కాకినాడ కాజాస్.
These are the original kajas. The regular ones, not the Kakinada special. This is what I wanted. 4 goals I had. The first goal was to get the car. Achieved. I want to drive the car a lot. Achieved. Goal number 2 was to go to a very beautiful location and a very unique location which I did not do till now. That has been done, which is Gudisa. Then third location I wanted to do was today's beach. Very close to the beach, one road, and the water literally fell in the car. Adi inko goal. Last and final goal I wanted to achieve is this one. I wanted to have a lot of kobbari chetlu, which is coconut trees, and this is the belt. This is Godavari. It's Godavari kada? And there's a lot of trees, like proper coconut trees, which I've seen in movies only. ఇక్కడ తప్పిపోయారు మా ఫ్రెండ్స్. Don't know whose, but there is a house here, literally so close to the edge of this Godavari river. I think it's abandoned right now. But one more thing I have to be careful with is this is a perfect environment for cobras, and mainly kobbari chetlu untai, like coconut trees. When you have, there is like possibility there'll be like cobras and all that, and good combination with water. So these are like perfect recipe for having a snake around. Evad kattukunnadu gaani adrushtavantudu. Looks so good, like literally here, but looks like a booth bangla here because no people inside it.
So bridge ki atwaipu over there, all that side, the other side of the bank is Yanam, Pondicherry, and this side is Andhra Pradesh. It's a UT now.
Oh, ఆ పాండిచేరి ఇక్కడ కలిసిందిరా.
So there is some section of Pondicherry which is broken because it was managed by
So this is out of nowhere.
out of nowhere.
పాండిచేరి తమిళనాడులో ఉన్నది, అది వేరే పాండిచేరి. This
But
little
this part is managed by Pondicherry again.
very interesting. So that side Yanam and this side is Andhra Pradesh.
Basically Hyderabad, Secunderabad divided by Tank Bund.
Right, exactly. So if you want to come to this location, take that bridge, that Yanamka bridge, Godavari bridge, the biggest bridge that I have seen. It's NH 156 of the Jushna. Check it on the internet once on Google Maps, and then instead of going straight from the bridge, take a U-turn and come back into the village. This is the road you take, Alluri Sitaramuraju road. That is the road you have to take. This is the location you'll find. Keep going interiors and it is epic. The smell, the wind, the tree sound. This is crazy. This kind of view, no way, bro. There's a temple, this is a car, there is the beach. Sorry, the beach car. This is Godavari. It's so close, like just a few meters away from that water. కార్ యూటిలైజ్ చేయట్లేదు కదా అన్నారు కదా. ఈజ్ ద యూటిలైజేషన్ నౌ. లిటరలీ సీ వాటర్ ఫెల్ ఆన్ మై కార్. అక్కడ దాకా తీసుకుపోయినా.
Hello Hyderabad.
Chalo Hyderabad. We just finished having lunch here. Trip అయిపోయింది. We got all the goals are achieved, so we feel accomplished.
Very nice trip.
Very nice trip. Small cute trip. Just 3 days, including today.
So we got to know for 3 days we can enjoy a lot అన్నమాట హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి.
బైక్స్ తీసుకొస్తే ఇంకో లెవెల్లో ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు.
అవుతుందా?
అదే ప్రాబ్లం.
అంటే వీడియో బైక్ స్పీక్ లో 2 days లో చేసేస్తాం.
ఫాస్ట్ బైక్ కదా.
ఎప్పుడు పక్కన మీదన్నారా
కొట్టేసుకుంటున్నారు ఇందాక నుంచి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ దిగి కొట్లాడుకునేటోళ్ళు.
ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్ గా నువ్వు అడిగావు వాడు పైక్ స్పీక్ సంగతి ఎందుకు ఎత్తిండు.
1 o'clock చేరుతామమ్మా tonight. 448 kilometers, 1 o'clock we'll reach home. 8 hours ఇక్కడ నుంచి from భీమవరం. I didn't know this. ఈజీ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు, కారే కదా. It's been long since we've seen highways like this. Feels so good watching all this. 5 hours 38. 5 hours? 5 hours 38 minutes left. 337 kilometers. I love night drives. Modu, he went to do some nature calls and a stretching break. All this is over. Now we'll get out. నిజంగా నా కార్లో వెనకాల ఏమేమి ఉంటే నాకే తెలియదు. ఐ జస్ట్ ఫౌండ్ అవుట్ సంథింగ్ న్యూ. దేర్ ఆర్ నంబర్స్ వెనకాల. ఇట్లా నంబర్స్ ఉంటే నాకు తెలియదు ఏసీలో. రేర్ ఏసీ వెంట్లో. ఇన్ని రోజులు నైషా వెనక నుంచి వేడిగా ఉంది, షీ సేస్ ఇట్స్ హాట్. ఐ వుడ్ సే అక్కడ బ్లూ బటన్ రెడ్ బటన్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది, ప్రెస్ ద బ్లూ బటన్ అని చెప్తుండే. నంబర్స్ ఉంటే నాకు తెలియదు ఇప్పుడు దాకా. But Charan is driving the car. He's taken the driving shift for some time. Shiva also sitting in the front. I thought let's sit in the back and experience. If I feel like pukish, that is the problem for me. I have motion sickness. But I think this kind of road should be fine. In the city or in the hills, I have a problem. Yeah, enkala baane undi. It's not really bad. But I know, I understand. For people who are like taller than maybe 6 feet, maybe they'll have a problem here for the coupe design. We reached home finally. Time is 1:12 a.m. We kind of bet Google's time and we finished 634.3 kilometers today. Very comfortable. I think I can do another 500 kilometers. But I think after 500 kilometers, then I'll start getting a little tired. I'm feeling a little bit sleepy right now because your sleep cycle, that kicked in. I usually sleep at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock max. I have to tell you, the car performs amazing. The 30D engine, since the time I have this car, I keep boasting a lot about it. But when you take it on the highway is when you truly appreciate a 30D engine. BMW is one of the best engines. The reason, you could do so many miles on it because of the everything, it's a package. There were so many big potholes and all that. I did not talk about this, right? While coming back from Bhimavaram to the main highway, there was like a stretch of 30 kilometers which was very bad, extremely bad. My speed was around 10 or 12 kilometers per hour for 1 hour. So around 30 kilometers took me close to 2 hours. Very bad roads, but I could manage. And if there was a sedan there, that would be difficult because big potholes. So throughout India, you can drive this car aram se, no problem. Big potholes, big speed breakers. We took it to places where usually we wouldn't take a sedan. 9.5 10 on 10 for the car, for the drive quality. Only thing is the back seat, rear seat, 3 out of 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care. One more big trip is coming up soon in the next 10 or 15 days. Yes, stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.